Now this is the extraction of iron from its oxide. This is the structure of blast furnace from which we can obtain cast iron. So this is the passage to bring the charge. It can be called as cup, and these are the cone. This is the first cone, this is the second cone. By releasing these cone, charge can be easily enter into the blast furnace. Below to second cone, we can see exhaust gases outlet, from which carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, both the gases exhausted out from the blast furnace, which are already formed during the process of cast iron. Here temperature is also mentioned, and at different temperature different reactions are taking place. The blast furnace is made up of fire bricks. These are the blast for hot air. We have to supply hot airs through these tubes. Slag will be collected above the molten iron. So molten iron can easily be taken out, and slag from the other outlet we can take it out. So what will happen? First of all, the chief ore of the iron, that is the hematite Fe2O3, which is concentrated by calcination and roasting process to remove sulfide impurities. Now the reactions are Fe3O4, this gives FeO plus Fe2O3, FeCO3, this also converts into FeO and gives out carbon dioxide, 4 FeO, 6 O2, this gives 2 Fe2O3, and Fe2O3 may be hydrated, so this gives Fe2O3 anhydrous. So these are the reactions taking place in the blast furnace. As we move down, different reactions will be taken. So the concentration ore is fed into the blast furnace along the coke and limestone. The various reactions taking place during smelting in blast furnace. The reduction of iron. The reduction of iron oxide takes place at different temperatures on passing hot air from the bottom of the furnace. Coke is oxidized to carbon dioxide, which interacts with carbon to form carbon monoxide. Now there are different zones. Now first zone is combustion zone. Where temperature is 2170 Kelvin or above to it. It is at the base of blast furnace. Coke burns to produce carbon dioxide. Due to exothermic reaction, heat produced that can be raised the temperature about 2200 Kelvin. So carbon, the combustion zone, since exothermic reaction, then delta H minus 393.4 kilojoule. The second is fusion zone. where temperature is 1570 Kelvin. Now CO2 moves upward and combines with coke to be reduced into CO. So it is an endothermic reaction and decrease the temperature to about 1570 Kelvin. So what happened? Carbon dioxide, which is produced in the combustion zone, rises upward and interact with the coke and gives carbon monoxide. Since reaction is exothermic, so endothermic, the temperature decreases, then delta H will be 163.2 kilojoule, and this is because the temperature decreases to 1570 Kelvin. The iron produced in the upper region melts here, and Fe2O3 is also reduced to form iron 3C. This gives 2 Fe and 3 CO along with heat. So we can see that iron also reduced. The third is slag formation zone. Slag formation zone. Here temperature will become 1270 Kelvin. What happened? Here limestone is decomposed to calcium oxide, which removes silica impurities of the ore as slag. So what happened? CaCO3. This gives CaO plus CO2. Now this calcium oxide reacts with silica to form slag. CaO plus SiO2 reacts to give calcium silicate, which is also called as slag. Now the fourth zone is called reduction zone. Temperature 500 to 875 Kelvin. Now the temperature near the top of the furnace is the order of 875 Kelvin. Here iron oxide reduced to form CO and iron 3 Fe2O3. This carbon monoxide get converted into carbon dioxide. 2 Fe3O4 plus CO2, and Fe3O4 again reduced to gives Fe and 4 CO2. Fe2O3 CO, this gives 2 FeO plus CO2. Here spongy iron produced. So spongy iron produced moves down slowly and melts in the fusion zone. At the lower hotter part, the main reaction is this moves down. Then at hotter part, FeO reduced to form Fe and CO. So it dissolves some carbon, phosphorus and manganese. The iron obtained from the blast furnace, that is this one, is known as pig iron. It contains pig iron contains 4% carbon and a small amount of other elements like Mn, Si, P and S, sulfur, phosphorus and sulfur. Now pig iron can converted into purer form and then it is known as cast iron. Purer form of pig iron. So it is obtained by melting it with scrap iron and coke using hot air blast.